Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a mini plane. Let's get started. First, we need this 2x8 flat piece, and then we're gonna take two transparent 1x1 slope pieces, two of them, and on either side, just completely at the end, we're gonna put these on facing in one direction, to the right or to the left, if you're doing it on the left side. That will be the windshield of our plane. Next, we're gonna take these 1x3 kind of pieces, they're kind of 1x3s from here, and then it's like a slope over here. We're gonna take two of those and we're gonna attach them. We're gonna leave a 1x2 gap behind, so 1x2 gap behind the windshield, and we're gonna connect those two on. Next, we're gonna take mini versions of these, except they're a bit bigger, their slopes are a bit larger, so they go a little more forward. And we're gonna flip our plane upside down, and then we're going to, so where these slopes end, upside down, we're just gonna put that side where the other plane slope ended also. So it'll look like this under both wings. Next, we're gonna take two 2x2s, and we're gonna attach. So there should be a 2x4 gap behind your wings, and we're gonna attach those two 2x2s on just like that. So there's like a red stripe a little bit over here. Next, we're gonna take a red 1x2 and we're gonna put this on the 1x2 gap I was talking about when we were putting on the wings, right there. Oh, also, this is like the stripe between the planes that is one color. If you can make it one color. If you don't want to, it's up to you. Next, we're gonna take a 2x6 flat piece, and for the 1x2 we just put on, we're gonna put a piece of that 1x2 of the 2x6. We're just gonna put that from starting right behind the windshield, right like this. So there's going to be 1x2 gap over here where you can still see the 2x2. I mean, 1x2 of the 2x2. Next, we're gonna take this plain tail piece, and we're going to just put it on right on the 1x2 gap. And there we go. Nice small mini plane. Thanks for watching.